4 of my 12 days of Christmas. So today I'm excited to share with you what I have in this Christmas box. Let's open. First, I got myself a new bag strap. I'm finding this strap to be very comfortable. The shoulders, I have the black version of this and I'm so happy and use it very much. Now I wanted to get the pink, so I did get the pink, and this would be very nice if I put it in my Victoria's Secret camera bag. I removed the sling on this Victoria's Secret bag because we all know the Victoria's Secret bag has a non-removable sling. So I asked help from my husband to remove it for me, and I have placed this, a lobster hook that I bought from Shopee as well, so I can use this anytime I want to use this style, and I can also remove it and use another style like this one, like broad or wide strap that is more comfortable to the shoulders. Since this is also a gold hardware, you can also buy this or order this in another hardware like the silver or I think the black, but I opted for the gold since most of my bags has gold hardwares. So now it would look nice on my camera bag. So there, I can use my Victoria's Secret camera bag in a thicker strap and enjoy using it without hurting my shoulders. And I can also use this on my other bags that is in color pink. It's a nice design. So the next one that I got was this one, but this is a leather part chain, and I can use this on my Sirena. My Sirena satchel, Coach Sirena satchel, and it would also look nice if I use it here because of the chain style, part leather that would not hurt my shoulders. There, looks nice. And then the third one that I got, I bought 3 of this. So 3 of this. I'll just open one for you to show you. This is a bag hanger. I specifically bought this hanger for one of my bags. This is the Mummy bag. Look, it already has that damage there. So you have to put it right there. Hang it so that I really hope that the ugly crease will disappear when I use this. There, you can see. This is a bag hanger, and I'm happy that I was able to get a bag hanger to save these kinds of bags with the creases on the handle. So these are the 3 things that I bought from Shopee, and I'll just link them below in case you're interested. I'm getting the same cute finds. So I hope you enjoyed day 4 of my 12 days of Christmas, and please continue to watch until day 12. Thank you so much for watching. Always remember to thank God for all the beautiful blessings. Till next time.